Welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today I'm going to show you a very delicious Indian Chinese or Indo-Chinese recipe that's called vegetable fried rice and veg Manchurian. So let's get started. The ingredients for making the fried rice are, I have some jasmine rice that I have boiled in water, and this is 1 cup of jasmine rice, and I have some chopped vegetables out here. This is French beans that's finely chopped carrots, finely chopped cabbage, and some spring onions or green onions, some soy sauce, some oil, garlic, ginger, white pepper powder, and some salt to taste. And you can also add vinegar. I'm out of vinegar, but you can always add vinegar to give that extra taste. The ingredients to make the veg Manchurian or vegetable Manchurian are some oil, some garlic, ginger, some corn flour or cornstarch, white pepper powder, maida or all-purpose flour, some Calabrian chili paste that I have at home, or you can use any chili sauce or chili paste, some dark soy sauce, salt to taste, some cilantro, finely chopped carrots, finely chopped cabbage, and some green onions or spring onions. Now to make the fried rice, I'm going to heat this wok and add some oil. Now to this oil, I'm going to add some garlic and some ginger. Now saute the ginger and garlic for a few seconds. And now I'm going to add all the vegetables. That's the green onions, cabbage, carrots, and beans. Just toss everything together on high flame. Now, since this is vegetable fried rice, it's not going to be that spicy. But if you want to make Szechuan fried rice or chili fried rice, then you need to add some chilies. But right now it's the normal vegetable fried rice, so I'm not adding any chilies to this. And we don't want to overcook these vegetables because Chinese fried rice or Chinese dishes are cooked on high flame and they are slightly crunchy. Now to this vegetables, I'm going to add some white pepper and some salt to taste. Let's also add the soy sauce. This is not the dark soy sauce that I added. It's the normal soy sauce. And now I'm going to add the white rice that's boiled. Now this is jasmine rice, but you can use any rice. Now our vegetable fried rice is ready, and it smells really good and it's going to taste very good as well. And now let's make the veg Manchurian. Now to make the veg Manchurian or vegetable Manchurian, I have this bowl and I'm going to add the carrots. Next goes in the cabbage. Now ginger, I'm just going to use half in this because the remaining half I want to use in the sauce that I'm going to make for this veg Manchurian. So just half ginger. And similarly, just half garlic. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And some black pepper, little bit, because I'm going to use a little bit in our gravy. Next goes in some cornstarch or corn flour. Again, I'm going to share it with our gravy. So just a little bit in this, and some maida or all-purpose flour as needed. So I'm going to add little bit, and if needed I'm going to add some more. And after adding all these ingredients, I'm going to mix everything. Now I'm just going to mix everything together. So this maida and corn flour is just for binding these vegetables together, because I want to make vegetable balls with these. I'm just going to use my clean hands to mix everything. Now I have this mixture made out of cornstarch, maida, salt, pepper, and some vegetables, that's ginger, garlic, carrots, and cabbage. Now I'm going to make tiny balls. I've greased my hands and I'm just going to make tiny balls like these. And just place it on our plate and make similar balls. Now here are our vegetable balls, and now I'm going to fry these vegetable balls till they are slightly brown or golden brown. The oil feels hot, so let's start frying our vegetables. Our veg Manchurian is fried, so I'm going to take it out on a paper towel. So now I'm going to make the sauce for a veg Manchurian, and my wok is heated and I'm going to add some oil. To this hot oil, I'm going to add some garlic. And some ginger. And now I'm going to add the green onions. Just saute the onions, ginger and garlic for a few seconds. Now to this I'm going to add some cilantro. And mix it again. Next goes in the salt. Salt to taste. Make sure you add less salt because soy sauce has salt in it. So I added a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to add our chili paste, and this is the Calabrian chili paste, and I bought this from Trader Joe's, but you can get any chili paste or chili sauce. So next goes in the white pepper. If you don't have white pepper, you can use the black pepper. And the dark soy sauce. Some cilantro fell in this, but this is the dark soy sauce to give the dark color of this dish. And now I'm just going to mix everything. Now to this I'm going to add some cornstarch or corn flour, and I have this hot water or warm water, to which I'm going to add a cornstarch, and I'm going to make a slurry out of this. So use warm water or hot water, don't add this in cold water. So this is going to give thickness to our gravy. So I'm not going to add the whole thing. I'm just going to add little by little. And let this boil on high flame. Now you can see our sauce boiling and thickening because of the corn flour. Definitely add a little bit of vinegar if you have at home. I did have vinegar, but I'm out of vinegar right now because I've been washing all my vegetables with vinegar during this lockdown. So therefore I'm out of vinegar. but do add a little bit of vinegar to this to give an extra flavor. Now I'm going to add the vegetable balls that I fried. Now our vegetable Manchurian is ready to go, and I'm going to serve it right now. Now this is a delicious vegetable fried rice and veg Manchurian in hot sauce, and it's very, very delicious. Definitely try this at home. I hope you enjoyed this Indo-Chinese recipe, and if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe. And for more videos, tune in till next time. Thanks and bye-bye.